Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy our content. That all really helps the channel out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 54. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 8. 8 here, so 4, 9. And no help here, 4, 8, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 4, 9. 4 and 9 here. So this is our 2. That 9 means this is our 4, and that makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 4, 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. For this row now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 7, 2. For this row, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 9 here, so this is our 4. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 9, 1, 9. And for this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9, and the 8 can't be here, so it must be here. For this column now, we're missing 1, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 7, 1 here, so 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 1 and 9, but we've got the 1 here, so this is our 9. That makes this our 1, 9. And that 9 makes this our 7, 1. For this row now, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. And for this box, we're missing an 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.